डिपेंड करता है और किसी की कितनी स्पीड है. एवरीबडी हैज अ डिफरेंट स्पीड. सो आई विल से कि डोंट बॉदर कि कितना टाइम जाएगा, 2 महीना 1 महीना. बट आप अगर सीखना स्टार्ट करोगे तो आई वुड से कि at your age it will be very beneficial because you will be very quickly able to learn these things.
Thank you, sir.
Yep, thank you so much.
Next up is Krishi Shah, and she is considered as one of the most smartest students in our career classes. Krishi, on to you.
Yes, sir. Hello, sir. Good morning.
Good morning, Krishi. I hope you will not ask very tough question.
Sir, it depends upon you.
Yeah, I would say you are learning very quickly. Yeah, please go ahead.
So my question is that when we send a code to another system, so we need to decode that code for understanding. So like different alphabets and different numerical values are having different symbols. So I want to ask you that how much efforts were taken by you for the, not you, but the system for the formation of that symbols, and how much time and labor it took for you to understand that symbols?
Oh, wow. So I would say that what happens generally is that all those things are already done for us by someone else. So when we send one code to another system, like those softwares and algorithms are already defined. So for example, if we code it to hexadecimal or any other word format or number format, so these logics are already there. So if we think about computer, then computer only understand 1 and 0. Like even though we are writing in an English language, but computer doesn't know English. Computer only understands 1 and 0. So like we have a translator, there is something called compiler. So compiler will do these things for us to decode it and to encode it in another language so that computer can understand it correctly. And for so since I have learned all these things in computer science, so we at that time I got a detailed subject on it. But I would say these days, like all these informations are available on Google. So and like at your age, if you are asking this question, then definitely like you will take a very lesser time to understand it and to explore all those things. So I would say that it totally depends. For me, it took some time because at that time, we don't have enough information available. But these days we are living in an information age where everything is available at the click of a button. So you can definitely explore that. And it takes time. I would say it is not easy. It takes time. But since if somebody is passionate about it, then they will find a way. So I hope that answers your question, or like.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much for solving my question.
Yep. Thanks, Krishi.
Most welcome, sir.
Next up, we have Rahul Jariwala from 9th standard, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Hey, hi Rahul. Good morning.
I am Rahul from 9th GB, Gujarat board.
Please, Rahul. Yep.
My question is, which is the easiest and hardest coding language, and which one is the most beneficial coding language?
So I would say there is nothing as such easy and hard. Like if we want to solve a complex problem, then the problem will be still complex. Either you use Java, Python, or C++. But if we will solve an easy problem, then any of the language will be easy. So irrespective of the language, it more depends on what we are trying to do. So to learn any language, one can start with anything. But I would also acknowledge that what happens is like we have different editors available. तो ऐसा होता है ना कि अगर किसी को C++ सीखना है तो आई थिंक दे फाइंड इट लिटिल बिट टफ बिकॉज वो स्क्रीन जो है वो थोड़ी पुरानी होती है एंड इतना यूजर फ्रेंडली नहीं होता. बट आई वुड से कि ज्यादा जो है इट डिपेंड्स ऑन प्रॉब्लम कि हम क्या सॉल्व करने की ट्राई कर रहे हैं. तो each language has its own benefit. कोई भी एक लैंग्वेज से आई वुड से कि वन कैन स्टार्ट लर्निंग इट एंड देन दूसरी लैंग्वेज सीख सकते हैं. एंड फ्रैंकली कि if somebody will be pursuing a career in computer science, तो ऐसा हो सकता है कि that person might end up working on each language. So for example, I started with Java, but I also worked on mainframe COBOL. I also worked on C++, Python, because with each project you might get a different language to work upon, and it is not limited. तो कोई ऐसा नहीं बोल सकता कि अरे मैं तो इसी पे काम कर सकता हूँ, because if world is moving towards another language तो शायद वो भी सीखना पड़े. And I would say in your case ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि 10 साल बाद जो लैंग्वेज हम यूज करेंगे वो शायद अभी इन्वेंट ही नहीं हुई है. तो ऐसा हो सकता है कि आप अभी जावा सीखो और 5 साल बाद कोई नई लैंग्वेज आ जाएगी. तो
Yes, sir.
इट डजेंट मैटर कि कौन सा लैंग्वेज फ्यूचर में यूज करेंगे, बट व्हाट आई कैन से कि अगर आप एक लैंग्वेज अभी सीख लोगे तो जो दूसरा लैंग्वेज होगा इट विल बी ऑल्सो ऑन द सिमिलर लाइन. So it is important that if we know at least one language, and then other languages we can always learn.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you
Manish,
so much.
I have
Rahul.
one more question for you.
Yeah, please.
हाँ, आपने कौन सी पहली लैंग्वेज सीखी थी?
मैंने तो अब सबसे पहले जावा सीखा था.
ओके,
But
और अभी करंटली कौन सी यूज कर रहे हो?
अभी मैं जावा ही यूज कर रहा हूँ, बट थिंग इज जावा जो मैंने सीखा था एंड जो मैं अभी यूज कर रहा हूँ इट इज वेरी डिफरेंट. बिकॉज ऐसा होता है ना कि विथ ईच ईयर देर आर सो मेनी न्यू फीचर्स आर गेटिंग एडेड. सो मतलब ऐसा समझो कि 5 साल पहले भी हम लोग स्मार्टफोन यूज कर रहे थे और अभी भी स्मार्टफोन ही यूज कर रहे हैं, मगर 5 साल पहले का जो हमारा फोन है और अभी का फोन है वो पूरा चेंज हो चुका है. वैसा
Yes, correct.
कि for to say it is Android, but the features or apps which we are using it is totally changed.
यस, यानी आप ऐसा कहना चाहते हैं कि जो लैंग्वेज है, जैसे कि मेरे को अगर गुजराती आती है तो आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड काठियावाड़ी आल्सो एंड सूटी आल्सो एंड अहमदाबादी आल्सो. तो आपकी
एकदम
कंप्यूटर
साचो.
लैंग्वेज भी सब कुछ ऐसा ही है. बराबर
एकदम
कि आपको
साची
एक
बात
आता
है.
है तो आप गुजराती भी समझ लोगे, हिंदी भी समझ लोगे, लाइकवाइज ना. तो
करेक्ट
मेरे को
करेक्ट.
बहुत सिंपल लैंग्वेज में चाहिए, क्योंकि यार कंप्यूटर आता नहीं है, कंप्यूटर सीखा नहीं था, कोडिंग सीखना है. बराबर, तो बाकियों के साथ कॉम्पिटिटिव जोन में रहना है. तो अगर ऐसा नहीं हो कि मैंने सीखा नहीं और वो पूरा ना हुआ नहीं,
नहीं तो मैंने अपना ईमेल आईडी शेयर किया है, आप भी क्लासेस के लिए एनरोल कर सकते हो सर.
प्लीज रिपीट दैट.
इट इज bcodestar@gmail.com.
ओके भाई, बाकी सब लोग लिख लो है. मेरे पास भी ये आईडी नहीं है, मेरे पास तो मनीष सिंगल वाला आईडी है.
नहीं, but don't worry, I will also put it in the comments. So and if you have any other questions or queries you can also put it in the comments and I will get it answered. And अभी तो हम लोग कर ही रहे हैं ये Q&A session, so we'll try to answer as many questions as possible. Yeah.
Okay, so moving on, we have Harshi Giwala from 11th standard, and she has never missed a class. It is a rare occasion when she misses a class, so we'll get on to her.
Yeah, sure.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, I am Harshi Giwala. And sir, my question to you is,